explicit wait. So one more wait is there, that wait for URL. Okay. So let's check the example for it. Now let me create. So wait for URL is our next program. Wait for URL dot image. Okay, I create this program. Now I am taking the same example. Nothing we have to do. I am taking the same example. But here we will be taking wait for URL. Now what here we are doing? We are clicking and we have to wait. Okay, till the time you get this URL. Till the time login, till the time I get this URL. Okay, so I will be waiting. So here I can give it, if you give double star above it, it will be a pattern matching. Okay, so we have the regular expressions for it. Fine. So let's check it out. So I will be using explicitly wait for the URL to update the inventory page. Okay. So I will be using explicitly using it. Fine. So I give here await page dot wait for URL. Okay. And I am checking inventory.html. And I am checking inventory.html. So just give here star inventory.html. Right. This will wait for this URL to come out. Let's give a timeout also. And let's give a assertion. Assertion here. So I give here expect page dot URL dot to contain. Okay, this URL should contain inventory.html. Fine. Okay, I will wait here for this. And after waiting, I will verify that URL should contain inventory.html. So let me run this program. I will wait for URL. Goes here, it launch the website, it wait for 2 seconds, it worked. So this is basically known as our wait for loan. Any questions, anyone? Anyone?
We can also give full URL, or we have to give similar to this star URL.
You can give, you can use any regular expression. You, if you know anyone, okay, any regular expression which is matching it, okay, you can give. Got it?
Okay, 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 got it.
Next, next is our wait load state. See what I'm doing now. Wait for load state. Okay. So what does wait for load state? See, it explicitly pauses your test execution. It explicitly pauses your test execution until your web page reaches a specific life cycle state. Okay, so it will pause. In most of the cases, if it finds the button, it will click. Okay, it will not pause that DOM should loaded, API should loaded. Okay, everything should loaded. So it supports three parameters. Remember, it supports three parameters. Okay, it supports three parameters. Wait load state. First, first is document loaded. What does it mean? Your complete HTML structure page is loaded. Okay, your complete wait until basic HTML structure of the page is fully loaded. We have seen the DOM, that HTML DOM, that until it is full HTML is loaded, it will wait. Second is load. Okay, wait for standard browser load event. This means all the images, all the HTML, all the style sheets, okay, all the script, all these things get loaded in. Okay. Third is network idle. What did it do? See, it wait until there is no ongoing network request, at least for 0.5 seconds. Okay. See, there are many backend things which goes on. So there are many back application like SAP applications where backend things goes on. So it will wait, okay, until ongoing network request for at least 5 seconds. Okay, write down these three. So you can use either of them. Okay. See, these are basically we have to know these things. Okay, that is the main reason. So I create the program of it. Same I take career. Fine. So I will use network request, network idle request. So it wait until all the images, okay, and everything load you can take also. I will take wait for load state. Okay. So all the network request that all the API images and no nothing should be there in backend. Okay, until it get loaded. So I will take network. So how can I do it? See, go here, await, page dot wait for load state and give here network ID. Okay, and just verify this to verify. it shows me error. What error it shows me? I have created this program. Okay. And need to define anything, just a second. Wait, wait, wait for function I have given, guys. My bad. You should also check it out. I'm giving something wrong. My bad, right? See it work perfectly. Write it out. Okay, you should know all these waiting strategies. And we know about the wait, that wait also we put implicitly. So these are the three explicit wait. We have a auto waiting that it, and we have something known as that we use this thing every time. 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay. Now, next is wait for response. This is basically related to your APIs and network synchronization. I'm giving you. So wait for response is our next one. Dot yes. So we have something known as network synchronization. Okay, we have something known as network synchronization. So basically, you have to synchronize with the network that the things are going properly or not. Okay, you need to synchronize with the network that things are going properly or not. Okay. So basically, these are related to APIs. Okay. So we have two requests in it. One is wait for response and another is wait for request. We have two things in here, wait for response and wait for request. So if I talk about wait for response, see, it will pause, wait for response. It will pause the test execution until browser receives the specific network HTTP response. So I hope you all know Postman. So response could be 200, okay, 201. Until that response is received, it will pause. So it pauses the execution until the browser receives a particular HTTP response matching the URL or status code. Okay. Now, now let me create. So I take same as previously. Now I am not keeping here. See, here I am not creating. I am not clicking. Before that, I am creating a response. I am setting up a response listener. Okay. Before triggering the action. So what is my action? To click on the login button. So I am creating the response. Okay. So what I do, so we have wait for response. I will take the response URL. Okay. I'm just creating the response. And response, it should contain, by login, it should contain inventory.html. Okay. And response status should be 200 because successful is 200 points. And we have we have seen, okay, we still have to do API testing. Okay. I will do this back tomorrow. Okay. I will get the response over here. Fine. Now what I do, I now trigger our login. Okay, I trigger our login button, and now I will await for the promise. I will await for the response. I will await for the response, whether it is having 200 or not. So now I will check the response. Response is equal to await. Now the promise will tell you what is the response has come. Now I will verify what is the URL and what is there. So I give console dot log response URL, response.url and status. Okay. If why it is showing me error, CONST, sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, and status to be 200. If it is successful, then our response status should be 200. So I'm building the status also and checking out if 200 should be there. Okay, save it. Let's do it. Wait for spelling RESPONSE. First person. Actually, see, this is some private site. I don't know it will give me 200 success or not. Okay, but if I will implement in our own sites, then it will work fine. I still doubt because this is a private site. But I am trying to teach you that this is how we can see the network API calls also. Okay, I think it will not give the response. But tomorrow when we will do our this API automation, tomorrow we will, then I will try to put this thing in the air. Okay. So this was a program created by us, and that will be the only issue. How it will kind of get a response from a private site that I feel see 3 seconds it has already waited 30 seconds. It has timed out. The reason is that okay. It is a private site. So I will tomorrow run my own JSON. Just a second, I am putting myself. I'm just checking that is this JPG is there or not. Don't worry about it. I will take these things tomorrow when I will do my JSON. Then I will verify these response. So see, this is some private site. It will not give me their API's access. Getting my point. But I am taking the response. I don't think I have made a change, but this will also work. Mhm. These are related to APIs actually. So tomorrow when we will do our this API testing. Okay, get would delete post request. Just remind me. I will include this also because that time I will be starting the server. I will be getting the data. That time I will include this also. Okay. Any question? Anyone write down this? Okay, then now there are two assertions. What are assertions? So see, we have any text should be there. Okay, something should be visible. Something is. So we have few assertions. So these are few assertions we have. Right? You have text. Okay, so a text should. I will show you everything. So it should match the text of is a thing visible. Okay, is thing hidden. Okay, enabled and visible. Enabled means we can click on it, perform action on it. Okay, and visible is enable is visible is we can it is we can see it. A thing is disabled, we cannot see it. Or there is URL, we have already seen this URL or title we have seen. So these are some of the assertions. These are some of the assertions which are available on any, we have to verify anytime. Okay. So assertions means basically the checks. The checks we have to perform. Okay. So let me go to our website. Now, if I go, so it should have this title. If you see, if you see, title should be there. Okay. You find control F title. You can see title. So swag lab title should be there. Okay. So let's start with our assertions. Now I go to this website and first is it should have this title. Okay. To have that title, which I have just shown. First is to have the title. So I give here await, expect page dot to have title. So it will verify whether the page has this title or not. So I run it one by one. Again, so just go over here. See, this is passed. Okay. Next is URL. Okay. So it will verify whether it has the URL or not. So it will verify to have the URL or not. Okay. So I am on this URL only. I will check whether this URL is there or not. So we have to have URL. So both the test cases have passed. Okay. Then there is another. Uh, just a second. Hmm. Now see, we have a locator button. This is a button. Okay. So I take out the ID of this button. ID of this button. I will check whether this button is visible or not. I go over here. Okay. I click on login. Page dot locator login. Now I am just checking is this. So I am will be checking the next one is visible. Is it visible or not? So I go over here. Okay. Root to be visible. So let's save it and run. Yes, it is visible to me. Okay. And uh, this is visible, fine. And it is enable also. We can click it also. Okay. So I can put enable also. Okay. So I can enable it. I can click it on also. So I can put it like this. Await to visible dot UV enable. Please do it. Do it now. Now see. Now if you look into it. So if I click on say this login. So this is the error menu. This is hidden. Okay. This is something which is hidden, to be hidden. So I can use to be hidden here. Okay. So this is basically hidden over here. How can I do it? So I take the its locator, the data text. I take it as data text. Fine. So I take the data text locator. I go over here. I create const error message is equal to the dot locator data set. And it's to be hidden. Okay, to be hidden. Okay, because it is hidden for me. Okay, so it is hidden for us. So I can test it out like this. Await error message to be hidden. So let's run it out. All works on. It is so fast that we cannot even check it out. Okay, fine. Anyone, any question in it? Here now your assignment for today is, these are very simple, guys. I have to check to be displayed and to have title. Okay. At your end, you have to check to be displayed and to have title.
Okay, Abhinav.
Okay. All. So we have done a lot of things today. We have seen all the weighting techniques. We have seen the associations. Okay. See, we have done many questions. I don't know why people are not joining the class. I don't know how they will be able to understand the things. But we have done lots of exercises till now. Fine. Nothing will be there out of for interview. At least we can clear everything. Okay. So check it out. Fine. Let me know any questions. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.